Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel where I, Paige, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. Did you know that today is International Book Day? Or maybe it's National Book Day. Whatever the case, it's a day about books, which I feel like is super relevant to all of our interests. I think in our creative day-to-day lives as writers, we get really focused on our personal troubles and triumphs. And today is a really fun reminder to spread the positivity. So think about the last book that you read that you really enjoyed. Think about a book that you are just dying to check out. Also, your local bookstores and communities, and do something to celebrate them today. Whether it is sending a really nice tweet to an author you love, going to a local bookstore, or finally reading a chapter of a book that you have been putting off. Let's take today to encourage each other, to spread the positivity. Remember that at the end of the day, we are all in this together. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all of the links down below, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone!